Adult tricycle bikes are an excellent option for those who are looking for a stable and comfortable ride. These bikes have 3 wheels, which provide greater balance and stability, making them perfect for seniors or those with balance issues. They also have a larger and more comfortable seat, making them great for longer rides. Some models even come equipped with baskets or cargo racks, making them perfect for running errands or carrying groceries. Overall, adult tricycle bikes are a great option for those who want to enjoy the outdoors and stay active without sacrificing comfort or stability. In this video we will look at some of the 5 best adult tricycle bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. YITAHOME 24 and 26-inch Adult Tricycle. The YITAHOME Adult Tricycle is designed for your comfort and convenience. With its 7-speed gear system, you can easily adjust to different terrains, making your ride smooth whether you're in the park or navigating city streets. The foldable front basket is perfect for shopping trips, while the spacious rear basket can hold up to 55 pounds, accommodating groceries or even pets. Additionally, the custom seat with a supportive backrest ensures a comfortable ride, adjustable to fit various heights. This tricycle's sturdy construction offers stability, making it an ideal choice for riders of all skill levels. What we like: 7-speed gear system, convenient front and rear baskets, customizable seating for comfort, sturdy and stable frame. Number 2. Schwinn Meridian Adult Tricycle Bike, 24-inch wheels, slate blue. The Schwinn Meridian Adult Tricycle Bike features a low step-through aluminum frame and 24-inch wheels, fitting riders 56 to 66 inches tall. It comes with a single-speed drivetrain, rear expander brake, and front alloy linear pull brake for secure stopping power. The redesigned basket with solid bottom and steel mesh sides helps keep your cargo in place, while the extra-large elastomer saddle and oversized Schwinn cruiser grips offer superior comfort. Full coverage fenders add style and help keep you dry in damp weather, and the double-wall alloy rims provide lightweight strength. What we like: easy-to-use single-speed drivetrain, secure stopping power with rear expander brake and front alloy linear pull brake. Redesigned basket with solid bottom and steel mesh sides keeps cargo in place. Number 3. VEVOR Folding Adult Tricycle. The VEVOR folding trike is designed for convenience and ease of use. Its foldable structure allows you to store and transport it effortlessly, making it perfect for trips to the store or outdoor adventures. You can choose from various wheel sizes to find the right fit for your height, ensuring a comfortable ride. Constructed with a sturdy carbon steel frame, this tricycle provides stability and durability. Plus, it features a simple single-speed setup, making it user-friendly, especially for beginners and seniors. Enjoy the freedom of cycling without the hassle. What we like: easy storage and transport, multiple size options, durable carbon steel frame, user-friendly assembly. Number 4. Pexmo Adult Tricycle 7-Speed. The Pexmo 7-Speed tricycle offers a smooth and enjoyable ride with its 7-speed shifting system, allowing you to easily adjust your speed for various terrains. Safety is prioritized with a comprehensive brake system that effectively manages downhill speeds, even when carrying heavy loads. Built with a robust high-carbon steel frame, it supports a combined weight of up to 331 pounds, ensuring durability and strength. The large, foldable baskets at the front and rear make it convenient for shopping or recreational outings, providing ample space for groceries or personal items. What we like: 7-speed shifting for versatility, strong high-carbon steel frame, large, foldable storage baskets, comprehensive braking system. Number 5. MarKnig 7-Speed Adult Tricycle. The MarKnig Adult Trike is designed for comfort and convenience, featuring a pre-assembled structure that makes setup easy. With a 350-pound capacity, it's perfect for carrying groceries or other essentials while you enjoy your ride. The 7-speed adjustable gearbox allows you to tackle various terrains effortlessly, ensuring a smooth experience whether you're on flat roads or hills. Additionally, the trike's large tires and cushioned seat provide stability and comfort, making it ideal for riders between 5 feet 3 inches and 6 feet 2 inches, including seniors and those with mobility concerns. What we like: easy installation, high cargo capacity, 7-speed versatility, comfortable ride.